I have grandchildren, I have children, I have a million students that I have taught, and I have many, many ex-colleagues that are still in the classroom. We know what happens in the education system. John Kasich knows what happens, and what he is counting on is that teachers always do the right thing. So even though he cuts their pay back 30%, they're still going to work late, get there early, pay for school supplies for children that don't have it. They're going to pull out of their pockets to do what needs to be done so the children can get what they can get. I'm concerned that the governor won't even take the time to listen or even ask the unions, will you be willing to concede X, Y, or Z? He's not even doing that. It's just ridiculous. It's what it is. It's just ridiculous.
And how long did you taught in the Columbus schools for?
I taught in Columbus schools for 30 years and 5 years with Ohio State, which gave me the grand total of 35, which was wonderful back then. But now they're trying to force teachers to stay 35 years just to get a regular retirement at the expense now, what seems like they're going to cut their pay anyway. So it's just, I don't know about everybody else. Teachers, firefighters, everybody's physical time runs down. And it is hard to interact with 30 different minds for an hour and then bring in 30 more different minds for an hour. And to have to do that until someone is 60, 65 years old is ridiculous. It's too much on the person. So who's going to lose? It's going to be the student. Who's going to lose? It's going to be the state of Ohio, because nobody's going to come in here with a master's degree, by the way, in order to be able to teach now. Nobody's going to come in here with a master's degree for that kind of money.